How is everyone? This is Melissa Thorsby. Hi, it's everyone. Hi, Instagram. Hi, Facebook. How is everyone? Happy Wednesday. I'm here to cook you some fathead dough. For those of you who don't know what fathead dough is, you can use it for different kinds of low-carb bread. It's made with cheese and almond flour. It's my go-to for pizza crust. I've tried cauliflower crust, I've tried almond flour crust. I don't love it. This is my favorite. Almost can get it to taste like burnt cheese. If anyone's a fan of burnt cheese, it's amazing, isn't it? Hey guys, say hi when you come on. Hi Judy, how you doing? Hey Christina. Hi everyone. So I'm gonna get to it before the dogs start barking because I've locked them away in my bedroom. But I have my oven preheating at 425 degrees. This thing cooks super quick, okay? And it's just the crust. Once I get the crust done, I can put the toppings on it and heat it. So Wednesdays are crazy for us. We have karate after school, so I don't have a lot of time to cook. So me doing this 10 minutes of prep to get it done for dinner time is what I need. So first we're gonna take the cheeses. So I have 1.5 cups of shredded mozzarella. I prefer to shred my own just because that's just who I am. Or you can buy the prepackaged shred. It's up to you, but 1.5 cups, okay? And then I have 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, okay? This is a little soft, it makes it a little easier. It's about 1 ounce. I'm gonna put that in here. I'm gonna melt this. I'm gonna put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, stir it up, mix it again, okay? So while that's doing that, my lunch, my cracked chicken from yesterday, that will be, I make leftovers all the time for lunch, because who's got time? So while that's melting, I'm gonna get the dry ingredients going in this, okay? We have 3/4 cups of almond flour, finely ground. If you don't have finely ground, just put it in like a coffee grinder or a blender to grind it up finely, okay? And then garlic powder. You don't have to measure this, guys. I love garlic, so I'm just gonna keep shaking it. And then 1 beaten egg. Then I'm gonna stir my cheese first. Stir this up, make sure it's melted. It's probably not quite there, it's not. Give it a quick stir. Probably another 30 seconds will do it. Okay, I'm gonna beat my egg. And this will be enough for Dennis and I to eat. The kids will make something different. Or I can make another fathead dough, but this is enough for maybe 2 people, a thin crust pizza. So I whipped my egg, I've got the almond flour going, the cheese is almost done, garlic powder, okay? Perfect. So cheese is melted, okay? Melted. And we're just gonna throw that in here. Now something I forgot to do is line my baking sheet. I have a pizza sheet, you don't need it, you can have a cookie sheet, it's whatever you want, or, but you definitely want to line it or it will stick. So I'm going to get some parchment paper here in a minute, line that, and I'm just going to, smush it out with my fingers. As thick or as thin as you'd like it. So, okay, 1 second, mix this up. It's not going to be perfectly mixed, okay? We're dealing with melty cheese and flour that's kind of dry. The egg helps a little, but it's not going to be perfect, okay? Here's my oven, it's ready. So like I said, I'm gonna make this, but I'm not gonna put my toppings on until later. I'll make it, let it cool, put it in the fridge until this evening when I'm ready, and then I'll just throw homemade pasta sauce that I make, or you buy some sugar-free, cheese, and pepperoni, or whatever toppings you like, jalapenos, banana peppers, ooh, pineapple. So I'm gonna get the parchment paper. I just started buying the sheets. Oh my gosh. I like it. I like it a lot more. Okay. So seriously, just gonna put this on here. And little pro tip, I'm gonna get my fingers wet so it doesn't stick. So a little bit of water will help this not stick your fingers while you're kind of smashing it down. You could also grab another piece of parchment paper, lay it on top, and get a cup. I might do that. and make it smooth it out, kind of like using it as a rolling pin. This is actually working pretty good. So it's not huge, like I said, and we might side this with a salad, you know what I mean? And there you go, you've got a full meal that's for pizza night. It's low carb, and we love it. So yeah, I'm actually gonna grab another piece of parchment paper. Just put it on top, grab a little cup that's round. These are square. How do I have some of these square ones? See? Round. And just roll it. As thin as you want. So I'm going to put this in the oven now for about 8 to 10 minutes. Pull it out, poke some holes in it so it doesn't bubble up in the middle, because cheese will do that. And then put it back in for about another 10 minutes. I mean, you can really gauge it yourself as to how long. Just watch it, depending on your oven. But like 8 to 10 minutes the first time. Poke some holes in it. Another 10 to 12 minutes. And boom, it's done, okay? So let me throw this in. And there you have it. You literally can top that with anything, okay? I hope you enjoyed this. It's super simple. As you see, it took me, what, 5 minutes to do this? And I'm gonna throw it in my fridge and top it later, which will take me another 5 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hey, Claudia and Jessica, Samantha, Dan, thank you so much for watching. If you guys are ever interested in more videos or more recipes, I have a free keto community over on Facebook where I share this stuff all the time, like multiple ones a day that I actually use, that I love, that my family loves. So yeah, just message me and I'll send you the link to go over there. But thank you so much for joining. Say hi and let me know if you try this recipe and what you think of it in the comments below. All right, guys, I'll talk to you soon.